Hello and welcome to this Brand Bite Size. Today we're going to talk about the Enterprise Investment Scheme, more commonly known as the EIS. It was established to help small, unquoted trading companies raise capital. EIS investors benefit from income tax relief, capital gain tax deferral, and inheritance tax business relief. Let's take a look at each of these reliefs in turn. Income tax relief is given at 30% on amounts invested, subject to an annual limit of £1 million. The limit increases to £2 million if investments in excess of the £1 million limit are in knowledge-intensive companies. EIS shares must be held for at least 3 years, or the relief may be clawed back. Once EIS shares have been held for 3 years, they are then exempt from CGT on their disposal. In addition, an investor who has realised a capital gain can benefit from CGT deferral relief if they invest the gain between 1 year before it arose and 3 years afterwards. There is no limit on the amount of gains that can be invested in this way. Where deferral relief has been claimed, it's important to remember that the CGT deferred at outset must still be paid. This will be due in one of 3 circumstances: when the EIS shares are sold, if the company ceases to qualify for the EIS within 3 years of investment, or if the investor stops being a UK resident within 3 years of investment. The only time CGT would not be payable on a deferred gain is where it is reinvested into a new EIS qualifying investment, or where the investor died while still holding the shares. EIS shares qualify for IHT business relief at 100% once they have been held for 2 years. After this time, they can be left to beneficiaries free from IHT. Given the significant tax benefits, there are a number of qualifying conditions that an EIS must meet, and it is these conditions that give EIS shares their high-risk status. EIS loss relief is available to mitigate the risk. If the EIS shares are sold at a loss, the loss can be offset against the investor's income tax or CGT bill. We hope you enjoyed this video brought to you by Brand Financial Training. Thanks for watching, we'll see you next time.